Press this point for 2 minutes and see what happens to your body. Chinese medicine and culture holds that our feet are full of important points, which are connected to many parts and organs of the body. Therefore, stimulation and massage of these points can bring relief and improvement of a health condition. One of these essential points is Taichung LV3, which is located in the feet between the big toe and the second toe, as 2 fingers away from the junction between the thumb and the second finger. The stimulation of this point is suggested for headaches, reduce stress, control anger, low back pain, high pressure, relieve menstrual cramps, pain in the extremities, insomnia, anxiety. It will also help relieve and refresh the liver, etc. In addition, according to Chinese texts, it can be extremely beneficial in case of digestive problems, genital pain, thrush, irritability and eye problems. On the other hand, scientists have shown that a randomized trial has yielded a positive result with acupuncture stimulation of Taichung point and other points, to manage post-stroke depression. To enjoy all the benefits of this point, you must stimulate it in the following way. 1. Slide your finger across the space between the big toe and the second finger. 2. Taichung LV3 is located in the depression that is before you can touch the bone with your fingers. When you find it, 1. Apply pressure and massage the point for 2 to 3 seconds. 2. Stop pressing and massaging for 5 seconds. 3. Massage for 2 minutes. 4. Remember that you should move your finger clockwise over the point.